time I showed you guys the downside of cloth diapering your baby when your washing machine breaks. And then now you have to hand wash them diapers because you cannot let them sit dirty. For some people, hand washing is their norm. But for me, baby, I don't like hand washing my diapers. I had a negative experience having to hand wash my diapers. And yeah, that's a story for another day. But this is how you do it. If you're washing diapers for a newborn, then you don't really have to get the debris off, aka the poop. But if you're washing diapers for someone who's been introduced to solids, then yes, you're going to have to shake that poop off in the toilet or spray it off with the water hose, something. And then you're going to want to fill up your bucket with water, soap. Then you're going to have to wash it, agitate it. I use the stick to agitate mine, but some people use like a plunger, like get a plunger for that use only, and like agitate it that way, shake it up, stir up the water, rinse it, repeat, and then let them dry. I let them dry on the gate, so they're clean, but for me, I'm going to wash them again before I use them, just because I left them outside on the gate. Air drying outside is perfectly valid. If you're using a clothesline or like a dryer rack, but just because I left them on the gate and I left them outside overnight, I'm going to just wash them again before I use them. And remember, a bucket is not the only way to go. Like, you can use a hand crank portable washer. You can use a mini portable electric washer. There's a whole bunch of ways you could do it. I just rather use a good old-fashioned washing machine. Then I like to put my inserts. Those are the little rectangular things. That's what absorbs all the liquids. I like to put those in the dryer because when you air dry them, they get a little stiff, depending on what material they are. But we'll go over the different types of diapers in another video.